Solve how to fix Sims 3 crashing on Windows PC. 1. Install the latest game patch. 2. Try repair game option in Origin client. 3. Update your graphics card driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Set Sims 3 to the windowed mode. Path, Options menu, the graphics tab, uncheck enable full screen mode, or choose windowed mode in display type. Another 2 options: 1. Pressing Alt and Enter keys. 2. Changing the value. To full screen equals 0 in options.ini file, which should be saved in the Sims 3 folder. Refer to the IMG below. And to modify Sims 3 settings, refer to this one. 5. Update the ActX in your computer.